Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In last video, I draw this circuit diagram from this PCB layout. And today we will draw this circuit in Proteus Professional. I will open Proteus Professional here. We will open new project. File name for your project or next कर लें. Here we will select the paper size. A4 template. If you want to create PCB layout, then you will select PCB layout. Otherwise, do not create PCB layout. I will hit next. No firmware. Next. Finish. First step, I will place transformer. Pick parts or press this icon or press P from the keyboard. I will press P. Here in keywords, transformer. You can select your required transformer. In our condition, one primary, one secondary and one auxiliary winding. Then I need transistor NPN D13003. NPN transistor. We completed the transformer. This transistor, okay. Now we need to connect this diode 1N4007, this capacitor and this resistor, 82K resistor. Rotate. 4.2 nano capacitor, 1N4007 diode. Rotate. Then we need a capacitor here, polar capacitor. .7 400 volts. One diode. Input terminal. Name it line. Fuse resistor. Input terminal. Name it neutral. Done. This is okay. We need a resistor 470K at the base. 470K. Rotate. This okay. Now we need 1N4148 diode. 4148 diode. Type the part number of the component. Right click and rotate it. We need 6.8 ohm resistor. P6R8. Rotate. Resistor this and ground. Diode this and ground, and this ground. Resistor end connected to this diode, this terminal connected here. Now I will install this capacitor. $100 ohm resistor. This will go to transformer auxiliary winding. Same point is connected to 1N4148. At this point, 1N4148. 1N4148 from tray. Cathode is connected to this point. Anode is connected to negative terminal of this capacitor. Positive terminal is grounded. Now we need PC817. PC817. Optocoupler, select. Emitter is connected to this point. This point पर. Collector is connected to base. This side is now covered. Now winding this end is grounded. Secondary side, this diode 1N5819 is Schottky rectifier. Then this resistor 1.8 ohms, MINRES 1R8, 1.8 ohms resistor, and it is output terminal. A capacitor, anode is connected to positive, 560 ohm resistor. Both cathodes connected together to SA733. And we need a Zener diode 4.2 ka. Ground. Now we completed the diagram, and now we can adjust the components location if we want. I think this time the diagram is now in good shape. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.